So welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to explore Long Beach, California. So yeah. By the way, let me give you a quick room tour for my room. So let's start with the bed. So we have a king size bed, we have a sitting area over there, table and working area, and here you have like kind of sitting cushion here. So we have the tea, coffee amenities, and that's the TV, and you'll get like an ice bucket over there, and glasses, then some drawers with Bible, and this is mini fridge, of course, with our complimentary water. So here naman we got our full length mirror, of course, and then the door, and then we have a very nice tawag dito, mirror over here. So elegant. So ayan, shower. Good. So we're staying here for 2 nights. So yeah, that's it for my room. By the way, there's a cabinet over here where you can keep your things. And yeah, you have the flat iron board, some hangers, then they gave us a bathrobe, and then ano tawag dyan? Safe box. So that's it for the room. But I love this full length mirror. And of course the view. Look at the view outside. Panalo. So yeah. So this is Long Beach, California. Okay, we're gonna explore the city now. But yeah. Tell me about it. And we're heading to the Pike outlet. Okay, let's check out what's here. So they have Forever 21, Nike, H&M, that. Okay, let's visit for F21, of course, and Nike and H&M. Good luck. How about denim plus denim? Cute. Back to skinny na ba tayo? Cute. How about this dress? Too short. Partner siya sa slippers ko. And not good. Sa H&M. Here you can choose here too. Look at this. So cute. Food truck. In the road. Ferris wheel. Food truck. Japanese cuisine. We have pigs. And that's so cute. And we're going there. I think it will be a good idea if I'll show you the view outside. And good morning to you all. Oh, I think I would love to go to that jacuzzi later. And you'll see that we'll go to the beach later. It's like 9 a.m. pa lang dito, so and we're gonna eat their California pizza. Ay, 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 ay. Remember yesterday we went to Forever 21, so I got these sandals, cute sandals, and got this from H&M, and love this. I've been looking for this laser. Let me show you how it is. Like this. It gives me Paris vibe, right? Just a nice pair of jumpsuit and viola. Long Beach, downtown Long Beach. And we're currently outside now. Look at that. Train. That's where we're heading. We're heading to 7-Eleven. Java Chips. That's for breakfast. So we bought this, ano ba tawag dito? Parang tacos roll sa 7-Eleven and sliced bread. Since ito nga, gumawa ko ng egg sandwich spread, whatever. And our matcha java chips with this nice view. Breakfast. So now join me with my breakfast. So let me try this one first. This is a cheese steak roll tacos, whatever. So. But yeah, look at this. Sliced bread. Well, I made this egg sandwich spread before sa Dubai. So yeah.